The next tab at the top is your Textile tab. Use this tab to design the patterns that you'll place on your clothes. This large square is your workspace. We simply click and drag the shapes from our shape list onto the workspace. As you can see, it's instantly reflected on the bolt of cloth to the right. To change the color of the object, click on the colors below the workspace. You can also select the workspace to change its color. The mini tabs listed below the workspace will give you access to different color palettes, giving you groups of colors that work well together. Underneath the color palette, we have 4 sliders. The first one adjusts the opacity of the shape, as well as which is basically how well you can see through it. The second slider adjusts the size of the shape. The third slider changes the aspect ratio of the shape. And the fourth slider rotates the shape. You can drag as many shapes as you want onto the workspace. If you have 2 or more shapes overlapping in the workspace, and you want to make the shape to be the topmost one, simply move the shape, or double-click it to bring it to the top, and double-click it again to send it to the back. You can remove shapes by selecting a shape and dragging it off the workspace. This set of buttons on the right changes how the pattern is tiled. The top button aligns the pattern vertically and horizontally. The second button offsets the pattern horizontally. The third button offsets the pattern vertically. The fourth button aligns the pattern horizontally and vertically, but rotates the pattern. The fifth button tiles everything like the first button, but only uses what you can see in the triangular area in the workspace to make the pattern. If at any point you don't like something you did, you can undo it. If you change your mind, you can redo it. If you really don't like what you did, you can clear it. And when you're done with it, you can save it. Once you save, you'll be taken to your fabrics page, which has all the patterns you've created. You can bring up any fabric you created before by clicking on it and then returning to the designer page.